What if you could turn ordinary footage into a beautiful watercolor painting effect entirely inside Premiere Pro? No plugins, no complicated setup. Let me show you how. You can download every asset used in this project from the video description. Watch the video through to the end. I'll reveal the password there, which you'll need to access the files. To start, I've already imported this footage onto my timeline. First, select your footage, then head over to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Double-click to apply it. Now go to Effect Controls panel and increase the blur amount to around 5. Next, hold down Alt or Option key, then drag the clip upward to quickly create a duplicate. On this duplicated layer, instead of that blur effect, let's add Find Edges effect. Once that's applied, lower the blend with original value to around 25%. Then change the clip's blend mode to soft light. And just like that, we've created a simple painting effect. But honestly, this is only the beginning. Let's make it look much more like a real watercolor animation. For this example, I'm using another footage clip. I'll quickly repeat the same process to create the watercolor look. Once everything is ready, select both layers and nest them into a single sequence. Now, here comes the fun part. On top of the nested sequence, import this ink splash overlay. We'll use it to reveal our artwork in a much more creative way. First, select the nested clip and apply the Track Matte key effect. Inside the Effect Controls panel, set the Matte option to Video 2 and change Composite Using to Matte Luma. At the moment, the effect is appearing inside the white areas of the overlay, but I want the reveal within black areas instead, so I'll simply enable Invert Matte. And there it is! We now have this beautiful watercolor paint reveal effect that feels much more dynamic and artistic, but we can push it even further. Let's add a watercolor paper texture in the background. Before doing that, move these layers one track higher. And don't forget to update the track matte settings because our matte is now sitting on video track 3. Next, import the watercolor texture onto video track 1 and extend its duration so it matches the rest of the composition. Already the result looks much more like an actual painting. But there's one final touch that can make everything feel perfectly connected. Note, the asset password is watercolor. What if the background colors could match the colors of your footage? For this example, I'm using this clip. To change the blue tones in the background texture, apply the tint effect. For the black color, use the eyedropper tool and sample a darker color from the footage. Then, for the white color, sample a brighter area from the same shot. And that is how you can create a stunning watercolor paint effect with a custom paint reveal all inside Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in the next tutorial.